10. Which one of the following statements about fungi is not true? A. Fungi are in a kingdom of their own but are closer to animals than plants. B. The IUCN Rec list has evaluations of the conservation status of some types of fungi. C. Fungi can be used to turn crop waste into bioethanol. D. All known fungi are free-living and not in either parasitic or symbiotic relationship with plants or animals. Solution: D. Britannica. Many fungi are free-living in soil or water. Others form parasitic or symbiotic relationships with plants or animals. BBC. Many people are familiar with edible mushrooms or the mold behind penicillin. But fungi have a range of vital roles, from helping plants draw water and nutrients from the soil to medicines that can lower blood cholesterol or enable organ transplants. Fungi also hold promise for breaking down plastics and generating new types of biofuels. But they have a darker side, devastating trees, crops and other plants across the world, and wiping out animals such as amphibians. Only 56 types of fungi have been evaluated for the IUCN Rec list, compared with more than 25,000 plants and 68,000 animals. 11. Consider the following statements about the fall armyworm, the native of the Americas, that has recently been in the news. 1. A moth is known to be able to fly distances of more than 1,000 kilometers. 2. Biological control of this moth is not possible in India. 3. It is a pest that particularly affects the paddy crop. Which of the statements given above is/are correct? A. 1 only, B 2 and 3 only, C 1 and 3 only, D none of the above. Solution: 8. TH from August. The Indian Council for Agricultural Research (ICAR) has sounded the alarm after the invasive agricultural pest fall armyworm Spodoptera frugivora was discovered in Karnataka this July. A major maize pest in North America, the fall armyworm arrived in Africa in 2016. Since then, it has threatened the continent's maize crop, the staple which feeds 300 million people. The Karnataka finding is the first report of the pest in Asia. Even though the pests reported in Karnataka are only feeding on maize and sorghum at the moment, they are likely to spread to other crops. The pest feeds on around 100 different crops, such as vegetables, rice, and sugarcane. TH. There are several reasons why the armyworm is thriving in Africa. It reproduces rapidly, and the continent's tropical and subtropical climates allow it to feed all year round. In contrast, fall armyworms die in Canada's frigid winters. So, each summer, new populations of a moth migrate to southern Canada from warmer states in the U.S. like Texas. Such migration isn't hard for them. The Spodoptera moth is known to be able to fly around 1,400 kilometers. This is another reason why it spread so quickly to new continents. Such migration isn't hard for them. The Spodoptera moth is known to be able to fly around 1,400 kilometers. This is another reason why it spread so quickly to new country. Solution: 8. Ecological succession, the process by which the structure of a biological community evolves.